How to fix low text HTML ratio in Shopify. A low text HTML ratio on your Shopify store can negatively impact SEO by making it harder for search engines to identify relevant content. This issue often arises when there's an excess of HTML code relative to the visible text content. Here's how you can address this. Enhance textual content. Ensure each product has a comprehensive description detailing features, materials, sizes, and usage. Add introductory paragraphs or descriptions to provide context and improve content depth. Structure your content using header tags, header 1 to header 6, to organize information effectively. Optimize HTML structure. Eliminate unnecessary HTML elements like empty div tags or inline styles. Use tools to minify your HTML code, reducing file size without affecting functionality. Move inline CSS to external style sheets to streamline your HTML. Review third-party integrations. Some third-party apps or embedded widgets can add excessive HTML. Review and remove any that aren't essential. Consider theme optimizations. Certain themes like Dawn are generally optimized, but issues can still arise. If problems persist, consider consulting with a developer to optimize your current theme or explore alternative themes. By implementing these strategies, you can improve your site's SEO performance and provide a better experience for your visitors. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.